learned about Rotter is that he loves to go down the line. Espejo, in the meantime, they reset. And that goes in! Economy stabilized. Investments have gone.
He just hopes to provide energy for his teammates from the sidelines. Sir 7, Coach Ronnie?
Oh, good quick. Espejo. Espejo elevates it.
Wow.
Attack. Libero, middle blocker exchange. That's blocked!
Sir, tama yun, diba sir?
Yep. Boom! 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 Shot that sails over. Espejo recycles. Chance for Vietnam. And they pounce on it. They reset their offense. The quick out. One hand pick up by Poop. Excellent blast, and it's up. Again. And what a strike. And that by serving play, and they are playing a very sound, grounded game. 3-point lead by the Vietnamese. They've got the fourth. They set by Brillados. It's elevated. Brillados reset. And down the line we go. Ooh, he is lethal. Blocked. Nice two-handed dig. Bagunas whips it. Marcus Espejo has to track it down. Brillados. Oh, we can check! Bagunas! Bagunas wants it.
First point.
Eh, adlib pa. Hindi mo kailangan lakas pala with the blockers. Lorenzo makes it a set for Espejo. And it's returned. The recycled offense. Yeah, returned again. The block is solid. From the pipe, blocked and out. And this has been out for Davis. Blocked and they tie. And we arrive at set goal. But we play on. Nice set. Oh, look at this, and we're going far.
As far as I know, the games of Alas hindi pa tapos eh. They still have a match against Japan. Here in the Philippines, they're going to play Japan, a Japanese club team, and a Korean club team. This is supposed to be for the kick-off or the 1,000 days ba yan for the 100, basta so many days for the World Cup next year. So until that game, those games are over, hindi sila makakalaro, di ba? Because they'll be practicing. And I understand those games will be around September 9, 10, 11, around that time, di ba? We will end our invitational 12, so wala na, hindi na sila makakabalik talaga.
So, kahit sa invitational, sir, din.
Wala rin pati sa invitation. Unless magbago sila ng schedule nila. No? But I doubt it, di ba?
Kailan po sila makakabalik sa tournament?
After the, technically September 15, release na sila.